Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to activate your Jazz Cash debit card in 2025. With the rapid evolution of mobile banking, activating your card has become even more streamlined and secure. Whether you're a first-time user or switching to the latest features, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Jazz Cash app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your App Store, Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and search for Jazz Cash. Download and install the latest 2025 version, which includes enhanced security features like biometric authentication. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your existing account credentials. If you're new, you'll need to sign up by providing your phone number and creating a secure PIN. Next, navigate to the Cards section in the app's main menu. Here, you'll see an option to manage your debit card. Select your Jazz Cash debit card from the list. Remember, the 2025 update allows you to link multiple cards for easy switching. Now, for the activation process, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This might involve entering a one-time PIN sent via SMS or using fingerprint or facial recognition, depending on your device settings. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete this step, as it's crucial for security. After verification, hit the Activate Card button. The app will process your request in seconds, and you'll get a confirmation notification. To ensure everything's working, test your card by making a small transaction, like adding funds to your wallet or paying for something online. Pro tip: always keep your app updated for the newest features, like contactless payments, which are big in 2025. And there you have it. Your Jazz Cash debit card is now active and ready to use. This process is designed to be quick and user-friendly, taking just a few minutes. If you run into any issues, reach out to Jazz Cash customer support through the app. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.